Day 7 is going to be on Thursday, July 23rd, and you're going to be able to save 30% off on all Syntec and Viking Automotive jump starters and battery chargers. So if you're in the market for any of these items, might be a good pickup, save 30% on them. I think in the past we have seen 40% off deals on them, but we know the recent deals going forward has either been 30% off or 35%. So still might be a good time to pick up some Viking or Syntec battery chargers, save 30% on it. And in this video, I'll also be covering day 8 deal, which is going to be 30% off on all pressure washers and pressure washer accessories. That will be on Friday, the 24th. But first, I will cover the Viking deals, and I will have on display on the screen, in case you want to skip ahead to the pressure washers. I'll put a time display on the screen so you can skip ahead to that section. Now, before I get started into the options they have here in the store, they will be doing a free gift weekend starting on this Friday, the 24th, running through Sunday. And for non-ITC members, you're going to spend a minimum of $34.99 and you get a free item. And it's free with any purchase for ITC members. And I'll show you these options that they're offering. And the first option is going to be the Hallmaster 4-pack of the 1-inch by 15 feet ratcheting tie downs. They offer 400-pound working load. We've seen these offered in the past as a free item, and typically it is a good pickup because the retail price on it is $12.99 for this 4-pack. And here is a look at the back of the package. I picked these up before that I had used for my boat to strap the boat down to the trailer, and they work pretty decent and not bad for a free item. The next option is on the Pittsburgh 9-piece combination wrench set. So you do have an option of both SAE and metric. They're fully polished 12-point box end wrenches, and the metric ranges from sizes 7mm up to 19mm. The retail price on them is $9.99 each. This is the metric set, and I'll show you the SAE next. And here's the SAE set. That ranges from size 1/4 inch up to 3/4 of an inch. So it might be a good pickup. They obviously offer the lifetime warranty, and can't beat that deal, getting it a free item, especially for ITC members. And you could go once each of the days and get another item for free as long as they have it in stock. And the next free option is this Braun 500 lumen headlamp. It does run on 3 AAA batteries that are included. So it's 500 lumens, has a runtime up to 11 hours, and a range up to 490 feet. It has a twist to zoom head to it, and also offers an adjustable angle. So this part here does swivel down up to a 90-degree angle. It also has adjustable light modes of high and low. And then here's a look at the back of the package. So it has the different ratings for the lumens. So the low mode is 170 lumens, and that is the runtime of up to 11 hours. So I think they have some pretty decent selections for the free item deal this weekend. Again, starts on Friday through Sunday. And you could pick up one of these battery terminal cleaners. It's going to be only $1 on the Dollar Days coupons. So be sure to check out the coupons. This is actually normal retail price at $3.99. So it's like saving over 70% on it, I believe. And it'd be a pretty good pickup to get this and then a free item on top of that. And another popular idea is to go for either Dollar Days deals or instant savings or ITC deals to get a free item. So be sure to check them all out. And I had done videos on them in the recent past, so you can certainly check out my channel if you haven't seen those videos already. And now we'll get started into the day 7 deals, saving the 30% off on all Syntec and Viking jump starters and battery chargers. I'll show you the different options they have here, starting off with some Syntec items. So they do have this 3-stage microprocessor controlled automatic battery charger. That retail price is $27. And they do have a smaller one of the 12-volt battery maintainer priced at $10, so you'll pick it up for $7. And they have one for lawnmowers, motorcycles, or ATVs, a battery maintainer and float charger. That's priced at $23. All right, next up is going to be the Syntec portable jump starter, 750 peak amps and 350 cranking amps. The retail price on that one is $60. And they have the Syntec 3-in-1 portable jump starter pack, offers 630 peak amps. Also has a built-in light. It's heavy duty, 7 AWG cables and copper coated clamps. The retail price on that one is $80. And they have the Viking lead acid multi-function jump starter. It has a 1000 peak amp, 150 psi compressor. So it is the 2-in-1. And just pay attention to the output as far as what it's capable of doing, up to a V6 2.4 liter or a diesel 1.6 liter. And I know I've mentioned in the past, but that's the limitation on many of these Vikings and Syntec is that they don't handle the large engines. I will have an exception of someone did comment, said they were able to jumpstart a V8 engine with 1,000 peak amp Viking. So I think it does depend on the state of the battery. If it's completely dead, it might have a harder time. But this Viking does retail at $100. And I did do review videos of a Gulu option as well as the Wolf Box option. That's a 2-in-1. It's definitely smaller than this unit. And the units that I reviewed has 4,000 peak amp, and it has a built-in compressor. And they are a little bit more expensive than this Viking, but normally they do have deals on it too throughout the year. I will put a link up to the review of the Wolf Box that I did. You can certainly check that out if you're interested. Now, the way the deal reads, I don't think it's going to include the digital battery and system tester. It's just going to be battery maintainers and chargers and jumpers. So next option is going to be on this Viking 1.5 amp. It's good for 6 and 12 volt batteries and lead acid. The retail price now was $28. Then they had the 4 amp fully automatic microprocessor controlled battery charger and maintainer. Again, it's good for 6 and 12 volt lead acid. So it's AGM gel, deep cycle, and standard. It will not do lithium batteries. So this is priced at $40. Then they have the 15 amp fast charge. It's a mid-sized battery charger and maintainer. That's retail price at $70. Then they have the Viking lithium ion jump starter and power bank. It offers 1,000 peak amp, has a built-in lithium ion battery. It doubles as a battery bank, so you can charge devices with it. So this would be similar to the ones I reviewed, with the exception this is 1,000 peak amp again. And the instant savings price is $73. The normal retail price is $90. So if your store is like mine, you would potentially be able to stack it on top of the instant savings price of $73. So it would be a good opportunity to pick it up to save additional 30% on that. And they do have a more powerful option with a 2,000 peak amp one. This one is rated for up to a V10 engine, 8 liter of gasoline, and a diesel 6 liter. It also doubles as a power bank as well with a USB cable, and that retail price is $140. But again, you're going to be right in the range of the units I reviewed that also offer the compressor in addition to being a power bank as well as the jump starter. And the next Syntec option is on this 12 volt analog battery charger. That's priced at $50. And they have this Viking battery charger, engine starter, and alternator tester. It's 125 amp rated. It's good for V6s up to a 3 liter, diesel up to 2.3 liter. The retail price is $140. And the next Viking option is on the 12 volt jump starter plus air compressor. This is 1,700 peak amps and 150 psi compressor. It has 500 cranking amps. It's impact resistant. It has a 2.4 amp USB output. The retail price on that one is $230. Next option is going to be on the Syntec 6 and 12 volt automatic battery charger with engine start. So if you have a fleet of vehicles or a dealer, then something like this might be good to go around and maintain the batteries of the vehicles. It offers a 40 amp boost and a 200 amp engine start. The retail price on that one is $160. But if you need an upgraded option, they do have this Viking 250 amp engine start. It has a 50 amp boost, 15 amp charge, and a 2 amp maintain. Good for both 6 and 12 volt batteries. Engine size is rated up to a V6 3.5 liter and diesel 2.4 liter. The retail price on that one is $240. And another Viking option is on the 12 volt jump starter. It's good for V8 gas engines and V6 diesel engines. Offers 1,700 peak amps and it also has a 2.4 amp USB output. Retail price on that one is $190. And one more Viking option is going to be on this one that's portable jump starter and power pack. It offers 3,400 peak amps, good for 12 and 24 volt batteries. It's good for V12 gas engines up to 16 liter and diesel up to 14 liter. The retail price on that one is $400. All right, that's going to be all the Syntec and Viking options I can find here in the store. It'd be a good time to save 30% on them. All right, now I will cover the pressure washers that they have here at Harbor Freight, where you save 30% off on them, as well as the accessories. Now, the first one I'm going to discuss is this Bauer portable power cleaner. So I don't know if this is going to be included in this deal since they word it pressure washers. So I don't know if that's going to be considered or not. And if it happens to be, it is currently on instant savings of $53. It's normally priced at $60. So again, just like other instant savings, you can usually stack the deals on it. And if this happens to be included, then it might be potentially stacked with the instant savings price of the 53, save 30% on that. But again, we'll have to see what the clickable ad is like on the website when they release the deal on their website and see if that's part of the list or not. They have this Portland 1,750 PSI pressure washer. It's electric one. It's a 13 amp. It's rated at 1.3 gallon per minute. It has a 20-foot hose length and 4-inch wheels. Now, I would actually recommend doing an upgrade to the Bauer. I've heard mixed reviews of the Portland brand specifically. And here is the Bauer 1800 PSI. It's a 1.2 gallon per minute electric pressure washer, priced at $99.99. So you will be able to pick it up for $70, which is going to be the same price that they have during the parking lot sale coming up in August, saving the 30%. The next option is going to be on the Bauer 2000 PSI 14 amp electric pressure washer. It's rated at 1.3 gallon per minute, comes with a 25-foot hose and 10-inch wheels. It has an onboard soap tank. The retail price on this one is $190. And if you're looking for a little bit of an upgrade, they do have this 2300 PSI 1.2 gallon per minute with a 25-foot hose length and 12-inch wheels. The retail price on that one is $250. And the biggest electric pressure washer that they have is $380 for a 3000 PSI 14.5 amp. It is a brushless pressure washer. It is rated at only 1.1 gallon per minute, so it actually has a little bit lower flow rate compared to the other models. It also has a 25-foot hose length, 12-inch wheels, and that onboard soap tank, priced at $380. And they do have a few gas-powered pressure washers. The first one is going to be the 2650 PSI with a 196 cc gas engine. It's rated at 2.4 gallon per minute with a 25-foot hose and 12-inch wheels. It also has an onboard soap tank to it as well. And it has a 5.6 horsepower Predator engine with it. That one's only priced at $350. And they have a 3200 PSI pressure washer with a 223 cc gas engine. It's rated at 2.8 gallons per minute. Also comes with a 25-foot hose and 12-inch wheels and has a 6.8 horsepower Predator engine. And the retail price on that one is $400. And they do have one other gas-powered pressure washer available, but they don't have one on display here at the store. It's on the Predator 4400 PSI 4.2 gallon per minute commercial duty pressure washer. 13 horsepower motor, 420 cc. This thing will be a beast of a pressure washer. And if you're serious about doing some cleaning around the house, definitely this would be the one to pick up, especially if you're looking to do like cleaning concrete and pavers or any surfaces like that. This will definitely be able to handle that. And the retail price on this one is $849.99. So it'd be an excellent time to save 30% on it, without a doubt. So good deals on pressure washers. And I will go over some of the accessories that they do have here in the store that you might want to pick up in addition to the new pressure washer. All right, the first accessory is going to be on the pressure washer turbo nozzle. It cleans up to 50% faster than a standard nozzle. I do recommend these. These are great for cleaning surfaces like concrete and brick work. You just have to be careful going around screens with it because it will tear up a screen. And here's the front of the package. So it does have the 1/4-inch quick connect to it, and it's rated up to 3200 max PSI. And the retail price on this one is $30. And this next accessory I would recommend picking up. It's on the pressure washer stubby spray gun. It comes with the universal connect system. It comes with the fittings to even fit the M22 and fittings for the electric pressure washers. And something like this is great to have a short gun like this instead of having to use a long wand to do most cleaning tasks. Definitely more convenient to have it short like that. And it does have the quick connect fitting on the end, so you can put the different spray tips in it. This one's rated up to 5000 PSI. And these are the fittings that it does include. So you have to check your pressure washer, see if it fits the M2215 or the 14. Then it comes with a 3/8 quick connector as well. So this one actually retails at $27, and it's actually currently on an instant savings price of $23, which is currently saving 14% on it. So like again, I mentioned before about the instant savings, you could potentially stack on the instant savings deal and get additional 30% off of it, which would be an excellent time to get this. And if you need some replacement spray tips, they have a 5-piece quick connect nozzle kit. It's rated up to 3000 PSI. So it has the quick connect fittings there. And it comes with the soap nozzle, the 40 degree, 25 degree, 15, and 0. This retails at $20. And the next accessory is going to be on the pressure washer quick connect set. It's a 4-piece set rated up to 4500 PSI. Basically what this does is it takes the M22 fittings of the M22 14 millimeter connection and converts it to a quick connect, which I highly recommend that you do because it makes it easy to connect and disconnect your hoses. And this set retails at $15. So it's very cheap, especially after the 30% off. It'd be a good deal and hassle-free of connecting the hoses. And they even have a 5-in-1 nozzle that has a quick connect on it, and it has the different spray patterns of the 0, 15, 25, 40, and the soap. So it's an all-in-one spray nozzle with a universal fit. Here's the back of the package. This one retails at 25 bucks. And they have this pressure washer foam cannon. It's right up to 3,300 psi. It has a 33-ounce tank, so it sprays thick, clinging foam. So you can make car detailing easy, as well as even do some house wash with it. So it's compatible with both gas and electric pressure washers with that universal quick connect right on the end of the wand there. This one is actually on instant savings too, just like the other one was, priced at 30 bucks on the instant savings, normally priced at 35, which is currently saving 14% on it. So stack it and get additional 30% off will be an excellent deal. Now, if you're looking to clean concrete or pavers or sidewalks, any type of surface like that, you definitely need an accessory like this. This one in particular is the 14-inch pressure washer surface cleaner, rated up to 3,300 psi. It's ideal for cleaning driveways, sidewalks, patios, and decks. It basically shields the water, keeps it nice and contained, and just the water ends up draining around on the surface. You want something like this to make quick work of cleaning that type of surface. Otherwise, you'll be spending weeks trying to clean a driveway with just a spray wand. I highly recommend something like this at a bare minimum to be able to clean those types of surfaces. And this one in particular does retail at 50 bucks. And they offer a smaller option. It's the 11-inch one versus the other one is a 14-inch one. This one's rated up to 2,000 max PSI that it can handle, and it works with electric pressure washers. So I would not pair this with a gas one. So it is a smaller one, and again, it'll make lighter work of cleaning concrete work and patios. It also has a universal quick connect fitting that'll go right into the end of the spray wand, and this one retails at 30 bucks. So again, it'd be a good time to save 30% on it. And if you're just looking for a replacement hose or perhaps a extra hose, they offer this 25-foot up to 4,000 psi pressure washer kink resistant hose. It works with both gas and electric pressure washers, and the retail price on this one is 27 bucks. And another accessory option they have is the curved and straight 17-inch extension wands. So it's a two-piece set, and they have the quick connect fittings on the one end. So the one end on the one is bent basically at a, looks like at a 45-degree angle, and the other one's a straight one. So the bent one would be great for cleaning like houses up higher, where they show it here in the picture, and then even getting more detail work in vehicles. So this one retails at 18 bucks. It is.
No, because you're in here
It's,
all the time.
yeah. This is during 10 days a deal, so I go every day now.
Yeah. Because I asked one guy, I'm like, who's that guy that's videotaping everything? Like, don't worry about it, he's fine.
Please excuse that customer that just came through. The retail price on that one is 400 bucks. All right, that's going to be it for day 7 and day 8 of the 10 days of deals. If you did get any value from this video, I really do appreciate that you give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more deal videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Crasher out.